Hi there, here's a quick tip using Photoshop and Generative Fill to create hand-drawn typography. First, we need to adjust the opacity so there's more to work on in the lighter register. Then I blurred with 2.5 so we can create new edges for me. All this is something you can experiment with. Then I merge the image and the background together. And then we use the gray selection so we can blend between Generative Fill and the image. This will also work with photography and stuff like that. So first we click on Quick Mask Mode, then Edit Fill, add 30 or 40%. This is also something to experiment with. Then we release the Quick Mask and we can see that Generative Fill is still available. Write your prompt. Photoshop is not good at creating a great variation style, but something like oil painting and stuff like that works all right. So in the prompt, you can write oils painting, drawing, sketch, rough, simple lines, thick outlines and stuff like that. Again, something to experiment with. Then we get results. And they are really cool. And as always, you get 3 different results that have totally different styles. It's not possible to control this with seed values from all I know. That would be something to look forward to if it comes. And if you do animation, you can quickly create this into a stop motion effect by exporting these 3 images or more. So that's all. Have a good day.